To run sales ad, first of all, this is the analysis of the first video we did for following, and as you can see, you must be familiar with checking your analysis so you can see what is working and what you have to correct for your next ad you want to do. So now moving on to the sales ad, you go to that three dotted line above, you click on your TikTok studio, and when it opens up, you go back to your promote under more tools. So when you click on promote under more tools, then you'll be able to select sales. Now we are not going to do boost. The boost is for followers and views and page visits. Do you understand? But this time I want to make sales. We want people to come into our DM and make inquiry about what we are selling. Now I have sent the video on content to use for sales. Like before you run your sales, there are contents you have to use. You must understand that most times when you complain of no sales, it's because the content you are using for your sales is not the best content to be used, and your sales content should just be 1 minute. Okay, so you have to learn how to create content using the content ideas I shared with you all. Now let's start with creation of your sales proper, how to run a sales ad. Alright, so using this same account, to run your sales ad, you go to your three dotted line above, then you click on TikTok studio. When it opens up, then you go down to your more tools and you select promote. Now when you click on the promote button, it will bring you back to the first page where we were able to run our first followers ads. Do you understand? Our first follower ads, it will bring us back to that page. Now when it finally open up, when you get to your dashboard, see, instead of clicking on boost account, now we are clicking on get sales. Now to click on get sales, you now click your goal, which is more website visit. Now you might have a website. This is where you'll be pasting the link of your website, or you might have like maybe your own personal website. But if you know you want them to come to your WhatsApp, this is where you'll be pasting your WhatsApp link. Your WhatsApp link, you have to be able to paste it here, which is wa.me/ your phone number plus 234, or you just go and create a WA link. Do you know what they call a WA link? A shortened URL that people will click on and they will come to your DM with a message. This is an example of a WA link, but I won't use this, so I want to show you how to create a WA link. So when you have created your WA link, you will now click on either sign up, like just choose a call to action that rhymes with what you want. Do you understand? Then you go through the same process by choosing your custom promotion. You can make use of the default audience, or you can make use of your custom. But now let me show you how to create a WA link. You go to your browser, you click on your Chrome, depending on the browser you are actually using, but I prefer using Chrome. Now you open a new page, like a blank page, as if you want to just search. Then you type wa.link, which is WA link. wa.link. That is what you type on that page. Then it opens up and loads. Then you have something like this as the result. So you just scroll down. You scroll down to the place where it will say create your WA link. So now to create your free WA link, you type in your phone number. That is the phone number you want to use for people to be asking you, coming to your DM, either your WhatsApp business or your normal WhatsApp, whichever one you want to use. Now you have to create a custom message so that when people click on this link, it's that custom message they'll use in chatting with you, which is hi Kiaki, I saw your ad on TikTok. You have to specify so that you can create multiple WA link so that they come with a particular message. Do you understand? Hi Kiaki, I saw your advert on TikTok. I'm interested in your class. Then my name is, so that it will be easier for you to just save their contact immediately, because some of them might not as well buy immediately, but when you have their contact, they will be able to check your status, you get to know them, and from there you build relationship and they make a buying decision. Do you understand? So that's why you have to do it this way. So So now I've clicked on my name and I've written what I want. My name is, I'm going to add s to that, and dash. So I'll click on generate my wire link. So within a few seconds it will load and it will give you a wire link. So this is a link. All I have to do is just copy this same link that it has given me and I'll paste it to the TikTok. Do you understand? I can paste it to my WhatsApp to save it there should the case of next time. But that's how you create your wire link. Do you understand? So because I want to use it again, I pasted it on my WhatsApp, chatting with myself. That's how to do it. Then I went back to my TikTok and I pasted the link there also. Alright, so now going to our dashboard, my network is a bit slow. I'll click again, like I'll start the process again. I'll click on get sales, click on more website visits, and it opens up to this place. Now I will now paste the URL that we just did. Do you understand? So now after pasting that URL, my network. So after pasting the URL, make sure that you select a call to action that resonates with what you are trying to promote. For me, I can either use sign up, learn more, but for you, it might be maybe book now, buy now, like just use something that resonates with what you are doing. So now I'm going to click on my paste button on my clipboard and paste that particular new link and click on save, and now I click on sign up, and voila, I'm going to save this. So this is the link that will be making people click on my WhatsApp page. Do you understand? Then now you can now click on select content, because I don't want to make use of the first video we use. That video is a video teaching people something, so for that I can't use such video to get sales. I have to use a video of me trying to create awareness about a product, something, a service. Like, you just have to know how to create content to run ads. Like, there are different kind of content to use for ad, specific content. You don't just use any content to run ads. So now I have uploaded the video I want to use to run ad, and I've titled it, captioned it, done everything. So that is what I just clicked on. Now I'm going to go to custom promotion to now select how I want the ads to function. So you can choose the TikTok default for yourself, like default audience, but for me, I like the custom. I like to choose the ones I want by myself, because I might not, TikTok might think it's for everybody, and maybe that particular audience I'm looking for is not for everybody. Do you understand? Maybe what they're selling is for only female, is for only male, and TikTok will just give you everybody. But for me, because I'm a service based owner, my course, my training, everything is for everybody. Do you understand? So now I select the age group I want, and that's my custom audience. Now, so for my budget, TikTok is recommending 1.5 per day, but because I want to use the lowest amount, I'll still be clicking on 1,000 naira. Do you understand? So I'll click on 1,000 naira. You click on that pencil and you reduce it to 1,000 naira. Then you come to preview. Preview is to make you see how the ads will show when people will be seeing it. So this is how it will show, and to be telling them sign up, sign up. Do you understand? That's what they will be saying. So after this, alright, so after this, now let's go back to our budget and reduce the budget to 1,000 naira, and also our duration. Maybe we should take it like 2 or 3 days, but I think one day is enough for testing. Do you understand? So once that is done, then you click on recharge. Yeah. So recharge is the same way we did the followers. Is for you to add money to your balance. Like if you don't have money in it, it will tell you. You can see minus 151 naira coin balance that I have, so it's not enough, so I have to recharge. So the same process, you recharge and put in your bank details, your card. If you have not done it before, it will ask you this. So once you are done with that, then you will come back to the site and it will say pay. Do you understand? Alright, so now I've finally finished doing that, and noticed the total amount became 1.3. So instead of doing it again, let me just use what is there to just run the ad so I can just see what I want you to understand. Do you understand? So I changed my budget away from that 1.5 and I changed it to 1,300. Like the money we're having is 1,325. So I reduced the coin money again instead of just adding, because they will be removing money for the card, 100 naira per any amount you withdraw from your card. So they will be removing money. So instead of doing it again, let me just continue. So now I've changed to 1.3 and I click on start, and yeah, it will tell me my ad is under review after it has finished paying. Do you understand? So once that is done, your ads will start running for sales. And you can see our estimate is from 64 to 300 sign up. So at the end of this ad, let's say how many people will sign up to my DM. All right, so it's paying. Yeah, so the notification is now under review. So now I want you to understand something, that once you run your sales ad and you're able to get certain number of clicks, it's more or less like your WhatsApp ad, whereby you pay, you get 100 contacts. So the essence of this method is that the people that actually need your service will be the one to enter your day. Okay, it's already approved. See, the last 2 hours is already approved. From I did it around 9, right? This is around 11 and it's already approved. So it doesn't take time before they approve and your ads will start running. Yeah. Can you see within just how many 2 hours that 12 people has came to my DM? Now at the end of the ad, after 24 hours, I'm now having 470 followers. That is to say, people actually still followed even though I did the sales ad. People also visited my profile. So let's check the YouTube studio to see our analytics correctly. So you go to the three dotted line above, click on TikTok Studio, then you come down to promote here. So now when you click on the promote button, you should be able to see all the analytics. Can you even see that the analytics for my overall page has actually increased just because I ran ads? That's just one of the beauty and key of running ads. Now, at the end of the day, you can see the ad review analysis. So now let's click on the one we use for sales profile visits. We also use 1003 for it, and we can see we have video views of 19. And I think from the analytics we did when running the ads, you can see it says 64 to 300, right? Clicks, I think. Yeah, so now from that you can now say that it did well. Even got 10 new followers, 40 profile visits, 166 likes, and I also got close to 100 um contact clicks. Can you see 108 clicks? Now imagine I run this just for 1,000. So if I run it for like maybe 5 days, do you know how many people that would have come to my DM? And yeah, I got more info about the analytics. So try this out. Bye.